Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Special unboxing coming up. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package from our ever trustworthy forward shipping company, Buy and Ship. So this was a purchase I did before, but this is a special purchase because as you see in the thumbnail, it is the Scott Porter Heroclix figures, and it is doubly special for me because I'm getting this during my birthday. Okay, so I celebrated recently my 40th birthday, and thanks to my wife who's always supporting me in my hobby. So if there is a happy wife, happy life quote, there's also happy hubby who supports or who has a supportive wife in his hobbies. Something like that. So anyway, so she supports me in everything I do. Okay. And including, of course, my favorite game, Heroclix. And she gave me this as a birthday gift, although I'm the one who ordered on her on her behalf. Okay, so because she doesn't know how to do so, but she told me get whatever I want for my birthday, and it was timely that it was Scott Porter pre-order during that time when she told me that. And so we have it. We have the two Scott Porter's black shirt and two Scott Porter's white shirt. Okay, so we're gonna use this for pricing and some raffle here in the Philippines. But for now, we have to take a look at our main man, Scott. Okay, let's open up one black and one white. Okay, I'm trying to select the better box. So anyway, okay, so you can see the difference in the boxes. Okay, not much here. Blue teamed, yellow teamed. Okay, he's carrying a brick of Heroclix. Scott Porter, of course, is one of our celebrities in the Heroclix world. Okay, and then an autograph panel. Hopefully in the future I will have an opportunity to have him sign one of this. Okay, this is fresh 2023 from WizKids, and the top is exclusive Heroclix figures. Okay, I'm sure most of you guys watching this video already have your own Scott Porter. He seems to be a must-have in all teams. So let's see what we have. Okay, card, of course, is expected to be a little bent. Okay, but let's take out the white shirt Scott and the black shirt Scott. Quick view here. Okay, this one is still available in the WizKids store as of posting this video. This one is for the Huntington's event. It's a bit harder to find. Okay, so WizKids shirt and wearing the Huntington's Heroclix for Huntington's shirt. Okay, so that is Scott Porter. Likeness is a bit there. Okay, it's really hard to capture lifelike images. Okay, even if it's 3D printed. So kudos to WizKids for the great attempt. Okay, and I like it that he's carrying a brick of Heroclix. Is it the same brick? Seemingly. Okay, so anyway, so these two will be my personal Scott Porters. Okay, added in my collection definitely, and the rest will be for as I said, those who were not able to get, I'll probably raffle it off, include it in some of our upcoming events, okay, so that more people in the Philippines will get the Scott Porter. Let's take a look first at the white shirt Scott Porter. He is WizKids 2023-001, has the team player ability, celebrity keyword, a couple of trait, comics knowledge, and acting roles. Scott Porter has all keywords even when he's not on the map. Okay, so that can activate a lot of sideline shenanigans. Okay, because sometimes characters can select powers from standard printed by any from a character in the sideline. Okay, so that might work well on that. Okay, so he's like eternity with all the keywords. Okay, and what is up, but even better actually than eternity. The second trait is what is up, everybody out there in Heroclix land. At the beginning of the game, if Scott Porter is on a team, other friendly characters modify attack +1 as long as Scott is on the map. At the beginning of the game, if all other friendly characters are from the same Heroclix set, other friendly characters modify damage +1 as long as Scott Porter is on the map. So it encourages you to play single set team build army. Okay, interesting. And team, that's at that. Okay. Special attack power is Power Bomb, Knockback, Pulse Wave, but doesn't target friendly characters. And that's really strong. I think Pulse Wave is locked at 4 if I'm not mistaken with the current rules. So it's gonna be dealing 1 only to opposing characters. Okay. And special defense power, what's in the cup today? Stop regeneration. When he uses it, heal each adjacent friendly character 1 click. Okay, so he can be a support piece, a great support piece late game. Displayed on his dial is sidestep, toughness, probability control, then he switches to willpower, perplex, and those special attack and that defense power. So that is Scott Porter white shirt. And the other one, the black shirt Scott Porter, is WK23-002 celebrity keyword. No team ability, but he has a trait, comics knowledge, and acting roles. The same name of the trait, but the effect is different. When establishing teams, choose any keyword, then choose a team ability that another friendly or opposing character has on their dial. This game, Scott Porter has the chosen keyword and team ability. During game setup, if Scott Porter is part of a team, increase the result of your roll for first player by 1. So basically, this is better because you get to choose any keyword and a team ability. So if you need him to become a Wonder Woman or even an X-Men, that can easily be done. Okay. By the way, both of them are 25 points. A couple of traits: fight for a cure, support. At the beginning of your turn, Scott Porter may heal a friendly character 1 click. Yeah, so no question, just heal another friendly character 1 click. And counting on the community is the last trait. If Scott Porter is part of a team, he starts the game with 3 community tokens. If Scott Porter has any community tokens once per turn, you may reroll any roll. If you do, after resolutions, remove a community token from Scott Porter. So it's like during the Huntingtons, they do a community prob. You buy a prob for $1, I think. So that represents that very well. And special defense power, family is everything, super senses, friendly characters modify defense +1 when adjacent to a friendly character that shares a keyword with them. Okay, so being close to each other is beneficial for your team. Okay. Heroclix for Huntington's charity tournament is the significant appearance, and this one is WizKids Heroclix unboxings as the significant appearance. So yeah, that it is. We have the Scott Porters on hand. Thank you very much, Scott, for being a model community in our community, a model Heroclix player, always an inspiration. And of course, thank you once again to my wife for this amazing gift. Bye bye everyone. See you in the next unboxings.